AI, or artificial intelligence, isn't just for tech geeks or big companies anymore. It's available to all of us, and it's changing the game for individuals, entrepreneurs, and businesses all around the world. In this video, I'll show you how AI can help you automate boring tasks, uncover hidden money-making opportunities, and even make you more valuable in your career or side hustle. First of all, let's start by automating repetitive tasks. AI can handle these tasks so you can focus on what really matters, like growing your business or spending more time doing what you love. But how does this actually work? First, think about tasks like sorting emails. A tool like Google Smart Reply or Superhuman uses AI to understand your emails and suggests quick replies. It learns your behavior over time, so instead of typing out the same response again and again, you can click and send in seconds. Imagine saving 30 minutes or even an hour every single day just by automating your inbox. Or, for example, take scheduling meetings, another time drainer. AI tools like Calendly or Motion can completely automate this. How? You simply set up your availability, share a link, and let the tool handle all the back and forth. Another example is organizing your data. Let's say you're managing an e-commerce store. Tools like Zapier can connect apps you already use, like Shopify and Google Sheets, and automatically update spreadsheets or generate sales report. No more copy and pasting and no more data entry. The system does it for you. AI can also take over customer service tasks. These bots can instantly respond to common questions, handle basic issues, and escalate more complex problems to a human, saving your team hours of work every day. Thanks to tools powered by AI, you no longer have to spend time on the small stuff, and you can actually focus on what makes you money. And trust me, those minutes and hours you save, they add up fast. What if you could get more done in less time and have energy left at the end of the day? AI can help you work smarter by keeping you organized, cutting out distractions, and streamlining your workflow. Let's break down exactly how AI can boost your productivity. First, let's look at organizing your ideas. Tools like Notion AI or Evernote AI help you structure your thoughts when you're overwhelmed or juggling too many tasks. For example, if you're brainstorming a project, you can just type a rough idea, and these tools will turn it into a clear, actionable to-do list or even generate a timeline for you. Now, what about writing? Whether you're drafting emails, reports, or content, tools like Grammarly or ChatGPT are game changers. Let's say you're stuck on a blog post. With ChatGPT, you can simply type, "Give me 3 ideas for a blog post about productivity," and in seconds, you'll have solid suggestions. You can even go further and ask it to write the first draft. Then you can use Grammarly to polish the first draft, and even use better word choices. Instead of spending hours refining your writing, you're done in about 30 minutes. But productivity isn't just about doing tasks faster, it's also about eliminating distractions. AI tools like Freedom or Serene help you stay laser focused by blocking distraction websites or apps during your work sessions. Imagine setting a goal to finish a big project in 2 hours, and the AI ensures you don't get sucked into Instagram or TikTok while you're at it. Another way AI boosts productivity is by helping you schedule your time more effectively. Motion, for instance, can take your to-do list and calendar, analyze your deadlines, and automatically create an optimized schedule for you. It even adjusts automatically if something changes, like if a meeting gets cancelled or a task takes longer than expected. You don't have to constantly shuffle things around, as it's automatically handled for you. Here is the bottom line. Productivity isn't just about doing more, it's about doing the right thing in less time. AI helps you focus on the tasks that truly matter, and even handles some of the heavy lifting for you. The result? You get more done faster, and that means more money in your pocket. AI makes personalized marketing easier and more powerful than ever. Tools like HubSpot, Klaviyo, or MailChimp analyze customer behavior, things like what product they clicked on, or how long they've spent on your website, or which email they've opened. Using this data, AI builds detailed customer profiles, helping you deliver hyper-targeted messages. For example, if someone is browsing backpacks but hasn't purchased, AI can send a personalized email with a discount or recommend similar items. Tools like Salesforce Predictive AI are perfect for this. Or let's say a regular customer hasn't shopped in a while. AI can trigger an email like, "We've got something special for you, your next workout." This makes your communication feel personal and relevant. AI doesn't just stop at emails. Platforms like Facebook Ads, Google Ads use AI to target the right people with the right message at the right time. By analyzing browsing habits and purchase behaviors, your ad spend becomes way more efficient, driving higher conversions. And here's the best part, it's all automated. Tools like ActiveCampaign segment your audience into groups like VIPs or first-time buyers and deliver personalized messages for you. The result? AI makes your customer feel understood, increases loyalty, and boosts sales automatically. It's like having a marketing team work 24/7 for you. AI isn't just about working faster, it's about working smarter. One of the smartest things you can do with AI is uncover hidden trends and opportunities in your industry. With tools like Google Analytics or SEMrush, AI processes massive amount of data to identify patterns, pinpoint trends, and relevant insights you might have missed. For example, tools like Google Trends can show you which product or industries are gaining traction, such as growing interest in eco-friendly home products or do-it-yourself meal kits. This helps you focus on niches with high demand and low competition. AI can also predict future trends. Platforms like Think with Google analyze historical data to forecast what consumer will want next, giving you a competitive edge to stay ahead of the curve. AI tools like Tableau can help you spot growth opportunities, such as which products are performing best or which regions need more attention. For content creators, tools like BuzzSumo highlight trending topics to help you create more engaging material. Here is the takeaway. AI gives you the insights to make smarter decisions, uncover profitable trends, and stay one step ahead of your competition. Earning money with AI-powered tools. Here is where things get really exciting. AI isn't just something you use to save time or boost productivity, it can actually become your business. You don't need a background in tech or programming to start earning money with AI. One of the easiest ways to start making money with AI is through creative tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, or Canva AI. These platforms let you create stunning artworks, illustration, or designs with just a few prompts. For example, you can use Midjourney to create unique art pieces and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Some people are even creating AI-generated designs for t-shirts, mugs, or posters and selling them in print-on-demand shops. The best part? AI does the creative heavy lifting, so you can focus on marketing and scaling your business. If you're a designer, tools like Canva AI can help you create professional graphic in minutes. Let's say you're offering social media design services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You can use Canvas templates and AI-powered features to deliver high-quality work faster, allowing you to take on more clients and grow your income. If you're doing content writing, you can use platforms like ChatGPT or Jasper AI that can help you write articles, blog posts, or even marketing copy for clients. Instead of spending hours writing from scratch, you can use AI to draft content and quickly polish it to perfection. If you're doing graphic design works, you can use tools like Adobe Firefly that allow you to create custom graphics, logos, or even animations that you can sell as part of your service. Businesses are always looking for ways to improve customer service and cut costs, and AI-powered chatbots are a perfect solution. Here's how it works. You identify small businesses that need help with customer service or lead generation. Then, you use a drag-and-drop chatbot builder, like ManyChat, to create a bot that answers common questions or collect customers' information. Then you can sell the chatbot as a one-time service or offer an ongoing support for a monthly fee. Many businesses are willing to pay hundreds of dollars for a functional chatbot that improves their customer experience. If you've mastered how to use an AI tool like Midjourney, ChatGPT, or Jasper, why not teach others? Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or even YouTube let you create courses or tutorials that show people how to use these tools effectively. For example, you could create a course titled How to Make $1,000 a Month with AI-Powered Art, or Beginner's Guide to Using ChatGPT for Freelancers. As people look for ways to leverage AI, high-quality educational content is in huge demand. If you're more entrepreneurial, you can use AI to create your own products. Tools like Bubble or No-Code AI allow you to build AI-powered apps or services without needing advanced coding skills. These platforms make it easy to bring your idea to life and start earning passive income. AI tools like Runway and DALL-E can help you create stock contents like photos, videos, or even music that you can sell on platforms like Shutterstock or Audio Jungle. For example, you can use DALL-E to create AI-generated backgrounds or illustrations, upload them to Shutterstock, and earn royalties every time someone downloads your work. Tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI make it incredibly easy to write ebooks. You can use them to brainstorm ideas, draft chapters, and edit content, all in a fraction of time it would normally take. Let's say you're passionate about personal finance. You could write an ebook titled 10 Ways to Save Money Using AI and sell it on Amazon Kindle or your own website. With the right marketing, this can become a steady source of passive income. The possibilities are endless. The beauty of AI is that it opens up income opportunities in ways we couldn't imagine just a few years ago. Whether you're selling art, offering freelancing service, or building your own products, AI allows you to work faster, smarter, and more creatively. If you're a content creator, AI is your secret weapon. Tools like Descript can transcribe and edit your videos in minutes, letting you cut out filler words or make quick edits with ease. For more advanced effects, tools like Runway let you remove background or add visual effects without needing a professional editor. And here's the thing, by creating high-quality content faster, you can attract more viewers and monetize through ads, sponsorship, or selling digital products like ebooks or courses. AI makes content creation easier, so you can focus on growing your brand and increase your income. Imagine having a tool that not only tracks your finances, but also tells you the smartest way to spend, save, or invest your money. AI tools like You Need a Budget or Mint analyze your spending habits, categorize expenses, and offer tailored recommendations. For instance, if you're overspending on dining out, the app can alert you and suggest relocating those funds towards your saving goals or upcoming bills. This helps you make smarter financial choices effortlessly. For business owners, AI takes decision-making to the next level. Tools like Tableau or Microsoft Power BI analyze massive amounts of data, sales numbers, customer behavior, and market trends, and turn it into actionable insights. For example, AI might show you that a specific product is trending in one region, suggesting you focus marketing efforts there. It can also highlight low-performing items, helping you avoid overstocking and reduce waste. AI-driven tools can also predict future sales trends using historical data, letting you plan better for peak seasons or adjust pricing dynamically. Instead of relying on intuition, every decision is backed by data, giving you a clear roadmap to maximize profits and efficiency. AI isn't just the future, it's the present. It's already transforming the way we work, create, and earn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and insights just like this one. And if you're ready to take action, check out this video, 12 side hustles to start today. I'll see you on the next one.